Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x. If we have x to the power of 6 minus 4 is equals to 0 and we find all the 6 root of this equation. We know that if an equation whose degree is 6 or whose degree is n, if I can talk about generally, if an equation has degree n, then this equation has n or less or equal to n roots. So it means that this equation has 6 or less or equal to 6 roots. So we need to find all that roots. So here first we need to rewrite this equation as, here this is x to the power of 6 and we write it as x to the power of 3 and its whole square. We know that 3 times 2 becomes 6 minus, in the same pattern we write this 4 as 2 square and this whole equation is equals to 0. Here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. The base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So according to the below formula, we write our above equation as, first you have a minus b. The value of a is x cubed minus b is 2 into a plus b. The value of a is x cubed plus b is 2 and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x cubed minus 2 equals to 0 and the second case is we write x cubed plus 2 is equals to 0. So we call this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So we need to solve both of these two equations and we get here the values of x. So here first we need to focus on equation number 1. So in equation number 1 we just apply here this nice cubic formula. If you have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here first we rewrite our above equation into the cubic form and it will becomes x cubed minus, we write it as cube root of 2 and its whole cube is equals to 0. So here we need to apply this formula. So according to this formula we write this term as this will be written as, this is a minus b. Here our a is x minus b is cube root of 2 into, this is a square, becomes x square plus x into cube root of 2 and plus cube root of 2 and its whole square and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus cube root of 2 equals to 0 and the second case is we write x square plus cube root of 2 into x plus, here we need to move this 2 inside the term and it will becomes here cube root of 4 and this whole equation is equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of x is equals to cube root of 2. So this is the first real root of the given equation, and now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here we use the quadratic formula. So first we write the coefficients of this equation. Its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to cube root of 2 and c equals to cube root of 4. So we state the quadratic formula as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our cubic formula. And here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c. It will becomes minus cube root of 2 plus minus square root of b square. So here when we put the value of b here, it will becomes cube root of 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is cube root of 4 and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And further in the next step we need more simplification and it will be written as cube root of 2 plus minus, this is square root of, here we just need to take common. This is the cube root of 2, and we write this 4 cube root of 4 as cube root of 2 whole square. So when you take common cube root of 2 whole square, we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So this will be written as minus cube root of 2 plus minus, here this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here cube root of 2 into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to take common cube root of 3 into the numerator side, so it will be written as cube root of 2 into, here we get minus 1 plus minus, here we know that when negative sign appear inside the square root it will becomes iota, so we get here a square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the two values of x which we get here from this equation. And now here we need to find other roots from equation number 2, so that we just copy down equation number 2 here. So equation number 2 is x cubed plus 2 is equals to 0. So here we again use the cubic formula here. So this will be written as x cubed plus cube root of 2 and its whole cubed equals to 0. So after applying the cubic formula, this will be written as this will becomes here. Here we apply this cubic formula. If we have a cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we write our above equation as x plus cube root of 2 into, this is a square, here our a is x square minus x into cube root of 2 plus cube root of 2 and its whole square, and this is equals to 0. So here we divide this into the two cases. The first case is we write x plus cube root of 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus cube root of 2 into x plus, this is cube root of 2 and its whole square is equals to 0. So from here we get the fourth root of the given equation is cube root of 2. This is the negative cube root of 2. This is positive term. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative. Okay. So here in the same pattern in which we can get the root from first equation, we get the roots from here. So here first we use the quadratic formula, and first we write the coefficient of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus cube root of 2, and c is equals to cube root of 2 and its whole square. So we use the quadratic formula and we substitute the values of a, b and c, and it will be written as, first you have minus b, the value of b is minus cube root of 2, it will becomes cube root of 2 plus minus square root of b square. So we have cube root of 2 and its whole square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is cube root of 2 and its whole square, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So here we need the same calculation which we get here from first equation, and we easily get the roots of this equation are cube root of 2 into 1 plus minus square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex root which we get here from second equation. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.